did I?
No, you're fine.
Oh, good. I was looking for you everywhere, but I had no idea where you were. You should see how many people are down there, all camped out on their picnic blankets. The entire baseball field is filled to capacity.
I saw.
When I came around the bullpen, I accidentally knocked Mr. Warner in the head with my picnic basket. I'm sure I'll pay for that in class on Monday. I don't know why, but he has it in for me. He hasn't liked me since day one.
Come sit with me.
I hope you like pastrami. I thought we had turkey breast, but Mom must have fed it to the dog or something. I swear, every time she opens the fridge door, Whisper comes running. He can even hear it from outside. The other day, my mom was pouring herself a glass of milk, and Whisper came sprinting from the backyard and crashed through the screen door. But instead of punishing him, she just emptied the rest of the carton into his water dish. How will he ever learn?
Sit.
I brought cookies for you, too. I woke up extra early to make them from scratch. I hope you like oatmeal. Those are your favorite, right? Good. They might even still be warm. There's nothing better than a chewy cookie that's still warm in the middle. Here, try it. Sorry, the edges are a little dark. I had the timer on, but Whisper also hears oven doors. I was afraid he might jump in, so I tied him up before I took them out. Something got a little crispy.
Thanks, that's it.
How come you're way up here all by yourself?
I don't know.
Look at all the people down there. Oh, I love the way the Ferris wheel goes around in circles like that and lights up. It's cool the way the bolts flash in the middle before they shoot sideways. It's like each arm is trying to reach out and grab something.
Look up.
Where?
There.
Oh, I can look at the stars any old time. Don't you want to go on the Ferris wheel with me? I'd love to see the world from way up there and have all the lights flash around us. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
I like it up here.
You like it up there, too.
I'm fine, but don't let me stop you.
You're not stopping me. I just like to be a part of the action.
I know. Sit. Cookies really good.
Really? Good. I got really hungry when I was looking for you, so I had a hot dog, it was really good. And so then I had some cotton candy, and I washed it all down with an orange soda. I think that might be enough sugar for you, so you can have all the cookies. I made them for you anyways.
They're good.
Good.
Now come sit with me.
Are you sure you don't want to go on the Ferris wheel? If we go now, we might be able to catch them while we're up there.
You can see them fine from here.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Come here and eat a sandwich. The view is amazing. Are you okay? If you have something on your mind, you can tell me about it. I won't say a word to anyone. I'm really good at keeping secrets. Even if the secret is super juicy and I want to tell everyone, I don't. You know that.
I know.
Cindy told me about this thing that happened to her over summer break. It's totally major, but I didn't tell anyone. I almost did, but then I remembered that I promised. It wasn't easy though. Not easy at all. You know why if I could tell you. So, tell me. I want to know what you're thinking about.
Nothing.
I think all the time. I can't help it. When I'm in the shower, I think about all the things that I had to do that day, but by the time I get out, I don't remember what they were. That's why I write everything down in my journal. You've seen my journal. It's the one with the butterflies on the cover. Mom pokes fun at me and says I have Alzheimer's, but I just can't keep track of my thoughts from one second to the next. That book has been a lifesaver. It's a huge relief knowing I can open it up to remember all the things that are important to me.
That's good.
Maybe you should get a journal. Then you can write down all of your thoughts. You must have amazing thoughts. I don't know what they are, but I'm sure they must be amazing. Your thoughts? Wow! Did you see that? Did you see that?
That's all?
They're so beautiful.
Yeah.
I love to watch the colors fall from the sky as if they're melting down the side of an ice cream cone. Most people like the explosion part, but I like to watch them twinkle as they fade away. Oh, that one was huge! Don't they usually save the big ones for the end? Oh, look, you can still see the smoke from the one behind it. It's like the red one is saying, don't forget about me! Shoot, I should have brought my camera. Did you bring your camera? I don't want to forget this.
You won't.
This is too exciting. You should be on the Ferris wheel. Now that would be romantic. It'd be like you're exploding and melting right along with them.
Sit.
I wonder how it would feel to be kissed in the sky.
Please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I bothering you?
No.
Do you want me to go away?
I want you to come closer.
I talk too much.
No.
I do. I know I do. I just have so many thoughts going on in my head that I can't keep them from coming out. Like, the other day in math class, I was looking out the window and I saw this butterfly land by a can of Coke that someone must have left in the grass. Its poor little legs ended up getting glued around the rim, and no matter how hard it flapped its wings, it couldn't get away. What was I supposed to do? Just sit there and watch it flap helplessly until it died? So I raised my hand and I asked Mr. Warner if I could go and rescue it. You know, maybe that's why he doesn't like me so much. I'm always interrupting.
Maybe.
He said no, but I didn't care. I went anyways. There was a light on the line.
So what happened?
Well, its legs were really, really stuck, and they separated from its body. It was so sad. Its wings were beautiful. You would have loved them.
I'm sorry.
I was crying when I came back to class, but Mr. Warner sent me to the principal's office anyways. How could you have been so insensitive? Come to think of it, I'm glad I knocked him in the head with my picnic basket. He had it coming. You know, even though it died, I still feel really good about what I did. It reminded me that I still have options. Would you like your sandwich now? I didn't know if you would want lettuce or tomato, so I packed both. There's also mayonnaise and mustard. You know, I wonder who bought the pastrami in the first place, because I don't eat it, and my parents don't eat it.
You're missing them.
Unless Whisper eats it. But that would explain why Mom gave him the turkey breast. I'll have to ask, because that was the first time I've ever seen pastrami in the fridge. Do your parents eat pastrami? It's things like that I'd like to know about you. You never tell me anything about your parents. Like if they like ham or pastrami or turkey breast or salami. Or maybe they're vegetarians. Or vegans. I don't really understand the difference, but I'd still like to know.
Yeah, right.
What did you say?
Nothing.
What do you mean, yeah, right? Is there something going on with your parents?
Sit.
I'm sorry. I should go.
Don't.
I'll go.
I have thoughts.
What?
Thoughts. I have them.
Oh, of course you do. What kind of thoughts? Would you like to talk about them?
But they wouldn't be thoughts.
But thoughts are meant to be said out loud.
Why?
Well, I don't know. Because they are.
But
That's why.
I don't want to miss anything.
Miss what?
I don't know. Stuff.
Like what?
Like reasons.
Reasons for what?
Nothing.
Do you think I miss things because I talk so much? Maybe I do. I go on and on about stupid things like Ferris wheels and pastrami. I'm like those trails of smoke out there. Look at me! Don't forget about me! Meanwhile, all the three lights pass me by. You're the only person that never tells me to be quiet. And now I've messed everything up. You probably have a million things you'd like to say, but I never shut up long enough to listen.
If I have something important to say, I'll say it.
You're scaring me. Is there something going on at home? Tell me what's wrong. Maybe I can help. I want to know what you have to say.
The fireworks are over.
Great. Just great. Is there a big finish? You missed them. It's all my fault. I know how much those meant to you. I shouldn't have said anything at all.
Don't cry.
I didn't mean for you to miss anything.
Hey.
Yeah.
What if instead of biting them off one at a time, they shot them all off at the same time? That would blow everyone's mind, wouldn't it? That's what